How to clean your C drive of unwanted files in Windows 11. So your first step is to simply open up your storage settings. You can do that with the Windows key and I to open up the system settings. Now once it's open, just navigate over to storage and click on storage. Once you've clicked on storage, you're going to get a breakdown of how your storage is being used. Now you can simply turn on the storage sense. By enabling this feature, it automatically removes temporary files and helps keep your storage clean. So make sure to keep it turned on. Now you could also make use of the cleanup recommendations. So this is less widely talked about, but if you click on cleanup recommendations, you can just select all that's given to you for cleanup and just click on cleanup, and they're going to be moved and deleted. Another thing you can try is clicking on large or unused files and now simply selecting most of them and deleting them. So you could easily delete them and have extra storage to do some other things. All right, now another thing you could also try is deleting unused apps. So how does that go? Head back to system and then simply head into where we have apps. So you're going to find apps after system. After you find personalization, click on apps and then select installed apps. So you can use this option to simply delete all your apps that are taking too much of storage from your drive. If that doesn't work, you could also try emptying out your recycle bin. So you could just open up the recycle bin and empty it out. All you need to do is just double click on the recycle bin and then you can just click on empty recycle bin and it's done. Now, other than that, you could also try running a disk cleanup. So just click on the start menu here and then simply use the search to search for disk cleanup. So you're going to find disk cleanup here. Click on it and it's going to appear like this. All you need to do from here, it's really simple. Select the files you'd like to delete and just click on OK and it will clean those up. All right, guys, that's how it's done.